Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe as always. In today's video, we are doing a vlog and it feels very weird to even be holding my camera like this and vlogging because I don't really vlog. Today is part one of this new series I'm doing, which is going to be me vlogging the relaunch of my business. I think it's been about 7 months now, but I'm ready to get the ball rolling. We're going to get back up and running. I can't say what month I'm actually going to be ready to relaunch, but I wanted to share with you guys actually what goes into relaunching a business, because I usually just speak to you and give you advice and tell you how I've done it in the past, but now I really just want to show you in real time exactly what I do day by day in order to really launch a business. So today what I'm going to be doing is at 12, in a few minutes actually, I have a Zoom meeting for the British Library. So I have a spreadsheet for my YouTube, which is just this one here, but let's look at the Oso Curly relaunch. Let me show you guys. Here is the relaunch spreadsheet. So as you can see, all the different tabs. So I have a tab for to-do lists, product ideas, finances, product costs, timeline, B. Simone style launch vlog, because she did like a book and a bunch of different things. She had a goal of hitting $1 million and she did like a vlog series of it, and I really want to do a similar thing.
On April 5th, 2020.
Oh my God.
My savings account has, just look at my savings. And what we are going to do is transfer over my $1
Yeah.
4 quarters so my savings can have $1 million in it.
Except I have no one to film it for me just yet. So this is part one of that. I'll be vlogging it myself, but I really want to show you guys the journey because I, as a viewer, loved watching it. So we're going to do that. So I have my plan for that. Of course, things have changed, so I'm just noting down all the different costs for things. We have suppliers, content, product names and descriptions, outreach, launch event because I may do an event, shoots, and then my testimony, which is just a reminder that, you know, something good's going to come from it. The things that are essential have highlights, and then this little timer thing shows me what needs to be done, and then I have like a green tick for the things that I have done. So I just want to kind of revamp the store. I want to change the look of it. I have like a guideline of what I'd like my website to look like, what the images will look like, look at what the store could look like. And all of these images are found on Pinterest, so I really I'm enjoying Pinterest. I've got some packaging ideas as well, because this year we finna upgrade the packaging, guys, because yeah, it's just something I've always wanted to do, always wanted to invest in. Also, if you're watching this, I really want to know your thoughts on me doing a Kickstarter campaign. I definitely think it's something that I need to do. I have wanted to do it years ago, but I always felt like, oh, I don't want to ask, you know, people for money, but it's something that's going to benefit you guys because you're going to get the product that you're donating towards. So I think I'm going to do one. It's going to take a lot of work to put the campaign together, but I'm quite excited about it. I have a new product in the works, so the Kickstarter will probably be to help launch both the business and the new product. So definitely working on that. Let me know down below. This workshop's starting in 10 minutes, so I'll be back. So that workshop is done. I wrote a bunch of notes down about trademarking and intellectual property and all of that good stuff. And then now what I need to do is actually count some stock. So let's go. Okay, so we got some packaging here, peanuts, packing peanuts, which I get from Amazon, by the way, so I'll link them down below. These are also from Amazon as well. Here is some random stock. So these, I don't know, maybe I'll just give them away in like PR, like influencer packages. Or say someone spends a certain amount, maybe I'll give it away for free. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with those. This is like random stuff. I don't know if I'll sell them. I might just use it for photo shoots and stuff. This is empty as well, can be used for shoots and pictures. So stuff like this I could actually put into future gift sets and stuff, so that's good to know. The brushes as well, they always sell as extras, so at least I have some stock that I can actually put on the website when we do launch. But hopefully we launch with a whole bunch of pillowcases as well. Shampoo brush wise, I have a lot here, so let's just get counting. I also have a bunch of thank you cards, so that's good because it will do me for the first batch, because I think moving forward we won't be doing thank you cards, just to save the environment, save customers time, save our time. So if anything, we'll put a thank you note within the actual packaging, but not printing out leaflets. It's just extra work and they get thrown away, so I think it's a bit of a waste. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41 and 27. So I'm gonna write that down. The white brushes. Oh yeah, we've already got 27, and then pink brushes, 42. I think there was 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. So I'm gonna change that to say 41. So that's pretty much it for today's Oh So Curly Day. I think I just need to go through the checklist and day by day do it. Like I said, I'm not putting too much pressure on things. I don't have a launch date. I'm just going to let things flow, because there's so much that goes into relaunching and even launching a product business. Like, a lot of things you have to wait for other people to do. You've got to wait for shipping deliveries of samples and then go back and forth with suppliers on samples. So it's not all in your hands. So that's one thing to note down if you're watching this and you are starting a new business. It could take quite a while. So we're in March. So I pretty much started the beginning of this month. So March, I'd like to estimate that I'd be ready by maybe July. But then I don't even know if I will launch by July. It all depends. It really just depends. So we'll see. But yeah. I hope this was interesting for you guys, a bit of inspiration to keep you going with your journey. I will definitely update you guys. This might be a weekly thing or a few times a month. We'll see, depends on what's going on with me and the business plans. But I will catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe as always. Love you guys, and I'll catch you later.